Kasarkar henne ka janmi lemba ka political department galalum ya baro ki khliat nok sanchar bakan thop ya ki CEM ki dalai ki sardar barang ba chnong ki CEM jong ki artli ki district council ki MDC ki MLA bat ki wei ha yojana bawan banyakran halor ki lat kilinti ban thau no da ka an ban pin ku bor ya ki khliat nok sanchar bat ya ki kamram tre kam joki Hagate gejingilang nakaliang ka KHADC kentop nakaliang CEM batru nakaliang persya kilakin tujur ya umintri rangba ba unchim kya ba ka sarkar jala ban aino ya ka jingmenjur ya ka village administration bill halor kate u Dr. Mukul ula pentim ba ka sarkar ka de bisar banya bat sian kan sapha syaka council ringkat ka jingkentu be de ban jubab no khamkloi ya ka jubab khnang makila ban pha no sya ulat banyo ya ka jingmenjur Hagane sngi da kwe gasor larai ru banthau ya komiti kabakin thop ya ki seng san perthai ki khliat non sanchar CEM bat ki wei hapo ka jingalam jong Dr. Didi lapang kumu chairman ban pet bat bisar banya kumno ba omla ban pen ku borshu ya ka sanchar snong sanchar thau kumbalaya nadu hindai hanthai hadu mentang nakaliang Dr. Mukul ula pentibru bagane kadang de gajingmait lenti bat penpau ya gajingkermen ba lemba ka te senjam kinsala banle shibun ya ki aka la kalong ha karoi kapar but what ha sensar snong sensar thau.
The government has been advocating in sharing responsibility and the need to build up partnership in a manner that enable us to actually achieve the shared objective of serving the people. And how any challenges, any hurdle that we are confronted by in course of doing so, how to overcome them jointly. And therefore, sharing responsibility and building partnership is a crucial component of the approach of our governance. Therefore, we have sought the enlightened views, suggestions from all concerned who have been pleased to respond to the invitation of the government. I'm very grateful to all of them. All the political parties have sent their representatives. Both the autonomous district councils, led by the respective chief executive members, have come and attended this program and effectively contributed their views and enlightened suggestions. Similarly, all the leaders representing various traditional organizations, institutions, traditional local bodies have also participated effectively, given substantive and enlightened suggestions which have been captured by the government, and subsequently those actually made us possible to actually sum up as to what should be our way forward. Friends representing various civil society organizations have also participated effectively, and we are grateful to them, and they have also been quite, I should say, proactive in giving us many suggestions which will go a long way in our approach to roping in the partnership of all the stakeholders. So we have decided, therefore, there are two things. One was also the issue of the pending bills of the autonomous, KHADC Autonomous District Council, vis-a-vis the relevant bill which is pending for the consideration of the government to be sent for the consideration or assent of the Honorable Governor. In a transparent manner, frank and candid manner, these issues were also discussed, and whatever issues are required to be addressed in as far as some of the provisions in the relevant or the specific bill is required to be addressed by the Autonomous District Council will be indicated by the Department of District Council Affairs, and accordingly whatever necessary action has to be taken by the KHADC Autonomous District Council to address those concerns, so that the proposed bill do not come into conflict with any existing laws enacted by the state legislature or by the parliament, are addressed in the right perspective. because whatever is required to be addressed from the constitutional and legal perspective has to be attended to whenever any legislation is